All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to try to piece together parts of the next couple of lessons minus the constructions. And then when I return, hopefully tomorrow, we can do the missing constructions. So the first set of notes minus the construction is going to be on what's called the triangle incenter. And theorem 6.6, the incenter theorem, says this. The incenter of a triangle, that's this point right here, that's created by angle bisectors. So basically what happens is and we'll see this construction hopefully tomorrow, is we bisect each of the angles, right? So these are congruent. And then they intersect at a single point, and that point there, P, is called the incenter. So this theorem says that if this is the incenter, then that point is equal distance from each of the sides. So that means this distance, PD, this distance, PE, and this distance, PF, are mathematically equivalent. All right, now let's take a look here. In this figure, in D, this here is equal to 5x minus 1, and in E, that's this distance here, is equal to 2x plus 11. Now we know, according to our theorem, that in D, in E, and in F are all mathematically equivalent. Therefore, we know that our 5x minus 1 and our 2x plus 11 are mathematically equivalent. So we'll solve this algebraic equation, subtract 2x from both sides. And we can see that 3x minus 1 is equal to 11. Add 1 to both sides. That 3x is equal to 12. Divide both sides by 3. We can see that x is 4. And then I'm assuming the problem, because it's cut off, it would like us to find in F. Let's just add that to our problem. And we know that in F is equivalent to the others. So in D, which is 5 times x is 4, minus 1, so that's 20 minus 1 is 19. And we know that in D and in F are equivalent, so we know that in F is also 19. All right, your turn. Go ahead and give it a try. In the figure shown, QM is 3x plus 8, and QN is 7x plus 2. Find QP. All right, we'll take a look at the construction parts later, but what I want you to do now is go ahead and give some of these a try. So this is our 4.3b. Go ahead and grab a textbook and try these problems before jumping into the next lesson. Feel free to message me on Teams with any questions you have.